Okay, so what we're going to be doing is meal prep for the week. It's the weekend right now, so it's a great thing to get done when you have the time to get it done. That way during the week you can enjoy your family and your time off and not have to worry about it. So what I've done is I got some sirloin steaks here on sale, and then I get myself a nice bag, whether it be gallon size or half gallon size. Always use the freezer bags. Don't get those cheap ones. They're about the same price anyway in the store. These will help your food last a lot longer, trust me. So I always write what it is, so sirloin steak, and then what I'm going to make with it, tacos and teriyaki, and then I put the dates on there as well. That way you're not playing guessing games during the week, as we all do. So, you just take your steak, and I got this on sale, and the ones that are already cut were about twice the price, whereas I got this 2 for 1. So I have both of these steaks, sirloin steaks, for $7 total. They would have been $7 each, but since they were on sale, buy one get one, and they're exactly the same price, which never really happens. There's usually a couple pennies off here or there, so it was a great deal. And so all I'm going to do is make sure I cut these into the slices that I want. And so these slices here are perfect for grilling them. Now, for the meat that I'm going to dedicate to my tacos, I'm actually going to cut those into cubes. And the reason why I like doing that is because I like to not have to cook it very, very long, number one. Number two, I like it to be uniform on the inside. And number three, just because I like that flavor profile of the little cube steaks in my tacos. So here's how I'm going to go ahead and cube them though. So I'm not going to do like small cubes or whatever. I'm just going to do my cubes. And my cubes are like this. You just stack them like that, and boom, you cut like that, 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 and then final cut. And there's your taco meat. Here's our meat that we can use for anything, especially teriyaki. And then if you want, you can also do larger cubes. I don't do that, but what I always try to do is make it as easy as possible and make sure that whatever I make can be transformed to many different types of food, many food styles. So anything that would have meat in it, if I cook it like this, I can obviously cube it later, right? So I don't have to do that right away. I'm doing that just because I'm hungry for a taco right now. I'm gonna make sure I make these up for myself right now. But if I wasn't hungry, I would probably just go ahead and just do them all like that, and then get myself another bag and just do half of them, or maybe a third of them for tacos, and then leave the rest of them the way they are so that I can use them with like asparagus or potatoes or anything that I want, including sandwiches, by the way. And there you go. And that's how you go ahead and get your steak prepped for the week. I will have more tips. Please make sure that you subscribe on my YouTube channel. It helps me to go ahead and focus on making these videos and helping people learn how to cook and how to prep and everything else. So I appreciate it. Thank you. You don't always need a glove on both hands. If you're cutting with your right hand or your left hand, the glove really just needs to be on the other hand. That'll save you some money as well.